Hey, good Wednesday morning, everybody. Don here from Super Blast. Had the rig in the shop yesterday, got some stuff done. Let's go over it real quick. Okay, this hinge here was totally destroyed. Now, look at this hinge here. Stainless steel, meat wagon, man. It's never going anywhere. All right, we got a new 20-gallon SH dispenser to fill up the pump-ups. Stainless steel strapping, custom fabricated. We had to put a new motor on this hose reel, also with a new brand new stainless steel chain. You can go ahead and put that on there if you want. Total oil changes and service on the Zeta. Total upgrades, repaired. All the valves were set. Total, all 3 fluids changed out. And the lights were fixed. Now we're back into, oh, look at that. You can work in the dark. And look at this. See what that says? Aha. Tucker approved. That's our boy down there at Ameritech. You know, Ameritech. The only go-to pressure washing company in the state of Florida, I think. They do a great job. Today, speaking about great jobs, we'll be visiting my customer Frank Young today. This will be my 9th visit out here. Going to Timber Pines, where they have some of the most plushest golf courses around. All right, get yourself a big logo, big phone number, and always get after it. See you at the job. All right, here we are, first job. Got the driveway, it's not that bad. The house just needs to be rinsed off, really. We're not getting any rain, we're in a drought, so we're just gonna have to just dust it off. Let's go look at the front door part. This is an every year customer, so look around the front here. See all that dirt and stuff? It's just dusty. I'm going to start the job right here. We're going to go around that way all the way to the back. Rinse our way around, get the hose on this side, get this driveway done and this out here. Wash down the side of the house here. We got a crappy water connection here. We got the drip edge. The drip edge is always nasty on this side. And we always got some really good mold in there. And we come on this side. And the pool deck, usually if I bring the mini Manu back here and get after it with that. We have a lot of debris on top of the pool cage like we always do back here. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. And when you do a good job, you retain your customers. Call you back every year. It's like guaranteed. What do we got, a cloudy screen? What the hell? All right, first part's gonna be cloudy. Let's get after it. All right, we're washed. Hey, bug. Go away. Anyway, everything looks nice and bright and clean and white. Now we got the hose all on this side, hose management. Gonna mini Mondo all this up. A little curb in the road there. All the way down to where the front tire is in the van. sidewalk, rinse all this stuff off, head down the side of the house to the pool cage. We'll be done. This job's going very quick today. All right, let's get after it. Okay, we're done all the way to here. Okay, we're gonna SH down here to the pool. Then we're gonna go right in. We're only gonna get this side here. The rest of it doesn't need it at all. There's the owner of the house right there, Mr. Frankie Boy. All right, we're gonna go ahead and SH it down the house here. Get after it. All right, check it out. All these screens, I was able to stand right here and get every one of these screens in the top of the cage all the way down with the tall reach tip. Sprays all the way down to the end there, no problem. All right, now we're gonna get in here and we're gonna get after the inside of this baby right here. All right, let's get after it, shall we? Okay, we're all SH and I went around the perimeter. We got ourselves a little guy here. He thinks he's somebody special, huh? You gonna bite that? There you go. Get after it. It's a little ringneck snake that we have here in Florida. They won't bite you. But he's not liking the chlorine. He's got rinsed out of his gutter there. We'll give him some fresh water. All right, let's go ahead and rinse this down. You see all that stuff up there on the screen? Gonna get all that off of there. All right, you know what to do, right? Let's get after it. That's how you do it. Look how nice and clean it looks. The floor was filthy when we came in. We had green mold all the way around the cage. Really bad. It was on there, so I took the pump up, went around. Now all the edges are perfectly clean. And guess what? The customer will call me back again for the 10th visit next year because of it, you know? Always do a good job. Never, never, never cut corners. Always do the best you can. Retain the business. Look how nice everything looks. Beautiful. All right. Super Blast pressure washer. Knocking them down one house at a time, baby. Let's get after it. All right, here we are. Job number 2 is a regular customer. We'll do it to the box over there. Let's look at this over here. He also has some green mold and algae just on the front of the house right here in front of the garage. Why do I have regular customers? Because I take care of stuff like this. Get up, spray the gutter real quick, and we'll get this side gutter here too. See all this stuff here? Clean this up, get the door cleaned up, clean that gutter up. He was just out here, wants to get the pool cage scheduled for the end of May. So we're gonna put that in the book. We're almost full. We got one more day left in May. And that's it, we're into June. I already got bookings into June. Things are going really good. And we don't even have rain yet, so here we go. Then we have, I'll see how this is really dirty in here. You can see where the mat is dirty. Clean up there above the window. Get these windows clean here. See how this is? I want to get that cleaned up for the guy. All right. And we're going all the way down to where the hose is. First, we're going to pre-treat it. Mini Mondu. And then we're going to rinse and post-treat. Then we'll be done. We'll bring the book to the door. We'll get the pool cage booked, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. And here's one thing that I always stress. See this here? See this mold? This looks like Ugats. Okay? Always clean the mailbox. I'm Don from Super Blast. That's how you retain business, baby.
Driving rain, but it's all right now. In fact, it's a gas, but it's all right. I'm jumping Jack Flash. It's a gas, gas, gas. I was raised by a toothless, bearded crow. Right across my bones, but it's all right now. In fact, it's a gas, but it's all right. I'm jumping Jack Flash. It's a gas, gas, gas. For dead. I fell down to my feet and so
all right, we got it all mini Mondu. All we gotta do is rinse it off. Check this out. I had a sight glass blow off the machine. I was running it, right? And I see the muffler smoking over here. The sight glass is gone out of the gearbox. All that oil went all over the place. We're going to be heading back to Ameritech as soon as we're done with this job, so we need to get after it. So let's get after it.
jumping jack flash. It's a gas.
All right, let's have a look at this bad boy. Look how nice. Mailbox is spotless. This sidewalk here was nice and green and mean when we got here. Now look at it. It's mean and clean. And this one was always in the shade. It was mean and green as well. Place looks really good. I'll go ahead and put them in the book I'll give them a date before I even get to the door. But look how nice that looks. Let's look at the floor. Remember when we looked at it when we first got here? Oh man, look at that. Looks like a new tile job. All right, we got to get this guy to the door, get that hose reeled in, and haul butt. I think we're going to go up to 50 and hit the interstate and fly to Tampa. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. You might see me at Ameritech. If not, we'll see you tomorrow. Get after it.
It showed up. That was today's appointment that didn't show up. You guys.
How's it going under there, chlorine boy?
Pretty good.
Okay?
Yeah.
Hey.
Over the grease right here, so it looks like you have the perfect unibrow right now. Yeah, look into the camera. Look at the fucking unibrow.
See what happens when you're a dumbass and you let it run out of water?
Or you have a unibrow.
Man. It's gonna cost me.
The middle one's the bad one.
Check your water pressure. That's a contractor tip. I forgot to mention, it's hotter than a blistering camel toe on a pepper patch. Hey, hey, hey! Pow! We're full of SH and ready to rock. Let's get after it. I think that's all I do is fuck around
I
here.
gotta have this. Why? I need this in standard and I need a 1/2 inch.
Tom, you on break again? Well, guys, thank you for everything.
Hey.
What do we do?
You get after it.
We get after it. Do you get after it?
Always.
What do you do?
Get after it. At home,
Everybody gets after it. Hey, when he gets home, he gets after it. Hey, look at this dude up here. I bet you he even gets after it.
Mr. American.
Get after it! Okay, who won at the gym?
It don't matter if you win by an inch or a mile.
He got me by like 2 seconds today.
2 seconds.
The old man
Gotta get the time in.
beat the young guy.
The old man, how old are you?
Whoa, Don, you don't
Never
ask a woman that.
his age.
Don't ask a woman his age. Oh, it's Bernadette. What's the kind of welcome you get? What's the kind of welcome we get here? What in the hell, you crazy bastards? What is it that we do? What is it that we do around here?
I don't. Depends on if you're the boss or if you're a worker.
What happened?
He might have got a little excited.
It looks like an elephant was here.
Yeah.
Getting after it. What do we do at Super Blast, everybody?
Get after it.